Offside is one of the toughest rules in football. Today, I will show you 5 different offside situations. You can watch the situation, pause the video, and decide it for you if it is an offside or not. After that, I will explain for each situation what is the correct decision. Let's get started. According to the laws of the game, if a player is moving from an offside position in the way of the opponent and impedes the opponent progress, blocks the opponent like this situation, the offense should be penalized under laws 12, direct free kick for defender. Here, in this video, there is no offside offense because according to the laws of the game, in this situation, the ball is nearer to the goal line than the attacker. The assistant referee has now raised his flag for offside offense. To take the correct decision, the assistant referee must be moving quickly and always be on the offside line. When some player fell down on the ground, around or in the own penalty area, be careful. Advice to the referee is to stop the game in neutral zone, because this player will be second class defender when the other team arranges an attack and there will be no offside offense. According to the laws of the game, there will be no offside here, but defending team might protest because there is a player lying on the ground. So, the best referee decision here is to stop the game in neutral zone and check the player's health. If they won't, invite the medical team to the field. At the final of this clip, you will see that because of the blue player lying on the ground, there is no offside offense. Be proactive and stop the game in neutral zone. Here, the attacker is in an offside position. We have two possibilities. First, the defender doesn't touch the ball and we have clear offside offense. Second, the defender touches the ball with his head. If a player in an offside position is receiving the ball from an opponent who attempts to stop the ball, which is going into or very close to the goal, with any part of the body except the hands or arms, unless the goalkeeper within the penalty area, it will be an offside offense.